Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Audi Q7 year and trim because control modules vary. Then remove the negative battery cable and wait 30 minutes to reset the lighting bus. Once done, unclip door sills and use a Torx T20 to access the interior ambient LED module. Make sure to wear a static strap to protect electronics. You're not just opening panels, you're locating the LED controller and harness that accept color commands. So label connectors and take photos before unplugging anything. Now you'll mount the new controller or access the OEM MIB settings. If using aftermarket hardware, connect the CAN bus adapter carefully, matching CAN H and L, permanent 12V, ground, and the illumination feed. Once connected, power up the system and open VCDS, ODIs, or the controller's app to map outputs to the ambient zones. Make adjustments using 0255 PWM or RGB values, and test each zone sequentially so you can see change. Finish by calibrating brightness and saving color profiles. Set a startup color and transition speeds so the system behaves predictably every boot. Once calibration is complete, reassemble panels in reverse order, torque screws to spec, and confirm harnesses aren't pinched. If you encounter flicker or zones not responding, recheck ground connections, ensure proper CAN termination resistors, and update controller firmware. If problems persist, revert to your photos and test each connector with a multimeter to isolate the fault before replacing parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.